Welcome to another video. So it's been a couple days since I posted a video, and sorry I haven't been around. It's just been so crazy hectic at work. But last week while I was at work, I decided to turn on my automation and take some trades. So anyway, here's a screenshot. So what I did is I got a new evaluation account, a performance evaluation account through Apex Trader Funding, and wanted to see how it would do. So I let it do its thing, and it made a little over $3,000 that day. So that means that I have met my profit target for this performance evaluation. So really, all I have to do now is trade for the next, I think it's like 7 days now, since I posted those winnings. So once I do that, I will be given access to $50,000 in trading capital that I can actually trade a real live account. So I have a special surprise for you all today. I have just opened up a fresh performance evaluation account for another 50,000. So I'm gonna walk you through and talk about how it works. We're gonna take some trades, but this time I'm gonna let the automation do its thing. So it's gonna be truly automated, and we're gonna see how it performs. So this might be a series of videos over the next few days, because I do plan to be very disciplined. I mean, the other day making 3,000 in a day, that's not something I typically like to do. I just did it, but I prefer to stick to my profit targets. So anywhere from 500 a day to 1,000. So if I'm in close to that range, I'm done. So that's what you'll see. So some days you might see me make 500 and then shut it off. So the video might not be very long at all. Some days we may take a short loss, recoup, and be done. Other days we may lose $500, and then I'll shut it down. So that's the way it's going to be for the week. So depending on what happens, the videos may be short, they may be long, or they may be exciting, or maybe not so exciting in the end. But just wanted to trade like I normally do, just real life, real, with real expectations. So anyway, stay tuned, and I'll be posting a video shortly. Thanks. All right, everybody. Good morning. So I have NinjaTrader queued up. We're already about 13 minutes in to market open. So it's been kind of hectic this morning. Got up late, and I have a 7 a.m. call for work. So we'll see if we get some trades in before my 7 o'clock, which is 10 a.m. Eastern. So market had been going down, very choppy, very volatile. Now it seems to be working its way up. So I'm not sure I'm going to get in this trade quite yet. We'll see what it does here for the next couple minutes. As I mentioned earlier, I'm working on a fresh evaluation account. So we'll see how it goes with that today. The goal is to reach a $3,000 profit target. We have 10 days to do it, a minimum of 10 days, but you can take as long as you need to. So we'll see. We'll see what kind of day we have. Like I said, I got into the market a little bit late than I normally do. Looks like we could have been in some good sequence here, but that's just the way it goes. There's going to be plenty of opportunity as we go. So I don't know if it's got steam to go up. I think it's going to start working its way down again. Let's see. Yeah, I think it's got a little bit of a downward trend, so it may change color here shortly. And it's did. So now it's in this purple, so that means we're in a downward trend. So I'm going to turn on my bot, and I'm going to see if we can get into a trade here in a minute on a downward market. So we'll see. Okay. I think we're about to enter one. Let's see. Nope. It didn't like that, and that's okay, because we don't like this little sideways stuff. Oh, one thing I should make you aware. Sometimes, so through these evaluations, like I said, you get a NinjaTrader license. Uh, I'm gonna turn this off for a second. Got the little sideways action. So you get a license, you get data access, and then you get a simulation account basically to trade. If you meet the uh, the profit goals, you trade for the required number of days, then um, you get funded. You know, in my case, uh, this is a $50,000 account. So I have one already. Um, there's one that I'm at the profit target, so that we should I should be able to get through that one. I just need to trade for a few more days, and then this new one that I'm trying to get funded. So we'll see. Okay, I got the bot on. Let's see if it goes up for us, or if it's gonna continue to creep down. Let's see if we enter a trade. Here we go. First profit target's met.
Order canceled.
And
Order canceled.
we got stopped out. Okay, so that's just the way it goes. All three of our contracts uh, uh, didn't make the money here. We had a small, very small loss, as you can see with that little purple color, and that's just the way it goes. That was fast. You saw how quickly that went up. So we'll see if we get another chance. So as you recall, we try to go for about $500. So once we get there, we're gonna call it a day. So here we go. I think we might get into a trade here. We'll see. Nope. Like I said, uh, as I have said previously, I should say, is that the automation enters the trade after it does all the statistics and the analysis. We can kind of anticipate. I've been using it enough that I can kind of anticipate, but it doesn't quite work like that. There's, my brain can't calculate what this software is trying to do, or what it does. What I thought it would have been a trade, it didn't take it because it knew it was going a different direction. So it's kind of cool how the automation works. You don't have to really think too hard. Okay. So here we go, folks. I think we're gonna get a chance here. Let's see. I always like on a downward market. That seems where I make my money. So we'll see. I think we're gonna enter a trade here. Let's see. Oh, no, it's starting to push up. So that might disrupt the bot and not take a trade, because now it's thinking it may think it's a upward direction now. So we'll see. Yeah, no. So that's what happens sometimes when you get this long section of candles going up. Automation then that doesn't engage, because it thinks that it may be switching to an upward trend, so it won't take it. So now we gotta wait, see if we can enter into another trade. It's okay. So if this candle goes white and back to this magenta, we'll be in it, but we'll see. Here we go. Boom. And then come back down, come back down, come back down. Maybe not. So we'll see. There we go. Oh. No. Okay.
Order canceled.
Dang it. So, and that's just the way it works sometimes. The market turns quickly, and it did. See, this whole time, we thought we were in this trend, but it didn't catch it. So we're minus 600 right now. So we'll see. I'm not gonna panic right now, because our maximum loss is 2,500. So we still have plenty of room in the account to keep growing it.
Order submitted.
So we hit
Order canceled.
target, and we hit our
Order
runner.
canceled.
Let's see if we get lucky. Come on, keep going up. I think we still got some steam here to keep the market going. And I think it's gonna might get a little bit more. I might just take my profit here. Let's see if it keeps going up. Okay, we're positive 25. Okay.
Order canceled.
So you saw it, folks. We had a negative $600, and we recouped it. I was gonna manually take profit, and I probably should have, because by the time it stopped me out, you saw. Oh, we're in a trade. Sorry, I'm over here.
Order
talking.
submitted.
So we'll see. Let's see where we go. See if we can hit this first profit target. And there
Order
we go.
canceled.
Hit it, and we're about to hit the second profit target.
Order canceled.
And so I'm just gonna let it go for a minute, and then I may take my profit before I lose too much of my gains. So we'll see. I think it's gonna keep going up. Let's see. No. Okay.
Order canceled.
So we're positive. So that's great. So you saw the automation work like it's supposed to. It we had a loser down here. We had a tiny loss here, but in the end we're positive. So I think we're gonna get a chance again. So let's see. Okay, so if it drops right here, we're in the money. Let's see. But as you're seeing real time here, it's been pretty active. It's been a lot of activity's been going on. So thinking it's going down, but it's not. So right now, I don't see us getting into a trade right now, unless it goes up and then goes right back down. But I just don't. No, see, I don't see it. There's just too much volatility, so the bot isn't going to engage until it sees a clear direction. Okay, so I have 7 more minutes till my work conference call. So let's see what we can get in the next 7 minutes before I gotta turn this off. But if I stopped right now, that would be okay. $160, and we're ahead when we were negative 650. So I may just end it there. I'll see if there's one more trade I can hop on. If there's not, we'll try again tomorrow. But hey, we're positive, and we got ourselves out of a small hole there. So everything's still on track. We're on track to meet our target. So all right, folks, let's see. Okay, up, and if it goes down, no, it's going back up. Oh, wait, right here, we might enter. Let's see. No, with that, no. Okay, guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and turn this off. Like I said, I have another call. I normally would have tried, but I think the market's volatile enough right now that I don't see us getting into a trade for a little while. As you can see here, there's this up and down, and it looks like it wants to go back up here maybe. I'm feeling good. We saw the bot in action. We had the one loss and picked up 2 really good ones to make up for it, and we're up a positive 160. So with that, we'll continue on the evaluation account tomorrow, and we'll go from there. So talk to you soon.